Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use paste values in Excel with formula. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here many sheet and many text and formulas. Now I am select anything. Click and drag on our mouse. Now I am copy this. Then click another side and select the paste drop down menu. Now we want to using the paste values Excel formula option. Now I am select this formula option. We can see here many option. You can choose anything. Now I am select the only formula option. We can see the cell is not adjustment. Double click on this adjustment the all cell. Now we can see we use the paste values in Excel with formulas easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.